How to sign up to Starbucks account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for starbucks.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Starbucks. Here, tap on the Join Now option on the top right of your screen and you will further be led to the Signing Up page for Starbucks. Go ahead and fill in the required details that includes your first name, last name, your email address. You will then be asked to create a password for your account, so go ahead and create a password and make sure to meet the password requirements. Once done, tap on the Terms and Conditions checkbox you see there and further tap on the Create Account button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to finish the registration process, and with this your account will be created. So this is how you can sign up for a Starbucks account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.